This tutorial will guide you through generating PDF offers in the Machineric platform. Log into your account. To configure your PDF offer branding, go to Admin. Click PDF Offer. Click Upload Logo to add as many logos as needed. This is especially useful if you operate multiple brands. Click Browse Files to upload additional documents, such as terms and conditions or service lists. You can upload multiple files and edit their names and descriptions. In addition to general company-wide documents, you can add machine-specific documentation to your PDF offer. Go to the Private section in the Machine Details overview. Scroll to the bottom to upload documents specific to this machine, such as inspection reports. To create an offer, go to your stock list, locate the machine you wish to include in the offer. Then click the three-dot menu. Click Generate PDF Offer. You can now personalize the offer details. Add an offer number. If the offer is valid for a limited time, add an end date. Add the offer price. When checked, the price appears at the top of the offer. When unchecked, it appears at the bottom. To change the currency, open the drop-down menu. Select the desired currency. Edit VAT details if needed. Choose whether the offer should be detailed. It will include all machine parameters. Or keep it minimal by showing only the most important parameters. By default, the PDF offer is created without a QR code. Check the box to include one. This will link customers to the machine details page on your website. To change the logo on your offer, open the drop-down menu. Select the logo you want to use. Then add the offer text, and add trade-in machine information, if applicable. The text will appear above the machine details by default. Uncheck the box to display it lower in the document. Check the box to show the machine location. If the offer is personal, choose the company and contact it will be sent to. If the company or contact is not in your CRM lists, click Create here to add them. You can then add any company or machine-specific documents you uploaded earlier. It is a good idea to add these additional documents to the offer, as it keeps all information in one file so that nothing gets lost. Open the drop-down menu. Select the file or files you want to include in the offer. Select the sales contact and address for the offer. Ensure all mandatory fields, marked with an asterisk, are filled. Click Save and Update Offer. Click Download at the bottom or top of the page. Your PDF offer is now complete and ready to be sent. PDF offers can also be generated directly from the Machine Details page. Click here to create a PDF offer. You have now learned how to generate PDF offers in the Machineric platform. Thank you for watching.